My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
We cut the legs off of our pants, threw our shoes into the ocean, laid back and waved through the daylight.
Taylor Charlie. Ooh. Jump, jump, jump. Maggie Sandy.
Maxie's listening to some hardcore music. I think it's rad. What is Maxie listening to? Let's find out.
Yeah.
What are you listening to?
Eminem. Slim Shady. My name is...
What?
My name is...
Who?
My name is...
Wicca.
Slim Shady.
Boom.
There's so many things you can do in a car.
Example.
A book club.
Say, yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop. Fresh paint job. Fresh inside. Is the out.
You can also have a prayer group.
Let me ask you, hey, have you heard of my religion?
Sit back and wait through the daylight. Slip and slide on subway grades. Shoes off poor man's ice skate. Fall through like change in the daylight. Fall through like change in the daylight.
You can play sweet and sour. The way you play sweet and sour is you look out your window and you wait for a car to go by. Cristina, tell them what's next.
If they wave, they're sweet, and if they don't, they're sour. Like lemons. And they suck.
Cream on the inside, clean on the outside. Cream on the inside.
Sour.
Like lemons.
Another thing you can do, thanks for reminding me, Cristina, is take a very nice long nap.
Refreshing.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
We just picked these two foreigners up off the street. Kanye is my cousin.
Hello, I'm Oli Nimi Aishimini. What was that? Oli Nimi Aishimini. No, Kanye is your cousin. Look at the thing.
Kanye, why don't you wave to me? I'm your cousin. Marito. It's me. It's me, Marito. Can you not recognize me? I can transform ya. Nice.
What is this device? What is this device?
I think it's a bomb.
A bomb?
Evacuate!
What are they doing? It's a bomb!
I just want to come into America! You're already in America and you already got Botox?
I don't know where my nose went.
It totally looks real. My mama told me that life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what she gonna get. It's not funny. My mama died. From the top.
Oh, sing and you sing by the daughter and what?
No, for the last time, it's Don Julie Light! Don Julie Light! How can you not get it, Minsu? I'm sorry you had to stop from watching those foreigners. But my grandma wants to go on screen now. I'm sorry, she's kind of boring. But good luck. Okay.
Hi everyone, this is Mama Touchin'.
We're on air right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Linda. I told you I'd be on. Ruth, Bob, Gregory, all those people out there work.
Can't hear you. Let's just get on to the
you.
show. Let's just get
Susanna,
on to
LaQuisha.
Let's get on to the show.
I remember you. You doing my document work? Are you doing my document work? I'm sorry, I can't be in today. I'm sick, as you can see. Can we get on with this interview?
Alright. What do you want me to ask you about?
Is it still on?
Do you see
still
the
on?
little light right there?
Yeah, do you happen to have any coffee for this?
I don't have any coffee. But
Powerade, do you know how bad this is for you?
Powerade is actually very
do you
good.
know
It's
do you
very
know
high in
how bad
electrolytes,
this is for you?
And it has advanced.
Do you know how bad this is? Get this
I'm
off your head while you're talking to me, young lady. Kids these days,
From our foreign friends.
you look like
Can
you
I-
some jungle girl that's
Jungle
trying
girl.
to be
You
like
have
a
a
zebra with
leopard
white hair.
Not a, yeah,
And
a leopard
you all went
hat
wrong
thing
with
on,
your
and
perm.
You think I'm... What happened now?
My life be like.